Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in your Windows in a very simple way. How you can do it, you just simply come over into your settings option. If you open settings and then here you need to come for personalization. If you click on that, then there will be an option called colors. If you click on the colors, then you will going to get choose your mode. From here you can see there is three options called light, dark. So if I just select here dark mode, you can see everything looks dark and your all Windows functionality looks dark. But if you just go for any of apps, like just I'm going for control panel, if I just search it and open it, you can see it looks white. It's not properly dark. So for these reasons, I always use the custom font. So if I just go for the custom setting and you can see choose your default app mode, I always choose for light, a better visibility. So if I just go for File Explorer, you can see it's looked white. But in Windows settings, most of the Windows settings will looks choose your default Windows mode is in dark. You can see this is set it into dark mode. So this is how we can simply enable dark mode in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.